What's up, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with a short video. I mean short, y'all. Hey man, only thing you gonna need is this right here, and this have a flat head in there, man. And man, today I'm gonna change the caliper on here, man. I know y'all, a lot of y'all probably talking about caliper, yeah, but yeah, I'm finna show you what it is. Well, you already see what it is right here, but yeah, that's what it is. So yeah, but just go right here, man. And the only thing you do, man, just take your flat head, put it right at the top of there, at the top, and pop that baby out. You see how easy that came out. Yeah, this is the stainless steel one, man. So I got the chrome one, because later on I'm going to change and put chrome forks on here, and I just want it all to match. But yeah, but that's the caliper right here, the chrome caliper I picked up from Harley Davidson. Yeah, and it just goes on like this and snaps in, baby. Hey, and that's it right there, baby. So hey man, stay tuned to the next video, man, and y'all stay up on them twos and have a blessed one. Peace.